Ever wondered if the stars could predict the rise and fall of the stock market? A question as old as the stock exchange itself. Welcome, my fellow financial adventurers. Today, we're charting a course into uncharted territory, the intersection of celestial cycles and cold, hard cash. That's right, we're diving deep into the world of financial astrology, a practice older than your broker's retirement party. While the stock market is influenced by a myriad of factors, some investors believe that planetary alignments and lunar cycles can influence human behavior and, consequently, market trends. Now, before you picture crystal balls and fortune cookies, this isn't about wishing on shooting stars for lottery numbers. Financial astrology is the study of how planetary movements, not some mystic mumbo-jumbo, can influence economic cycles and market trends. We're talking about understanding energies, not conjuring spells. Intrigued? Buckle up, space cowboys, because this ride is about to get educational, enlightening, and who knows, maybe even a little profitable. Forget Mars rising and Venus retrograde in financial astrology. There are possibly 5 key players to watch. But before we begin, please remember that this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Please consult a financial advisor in your jurisdiction before investing your own money. Also, please like and subscribe, thank you. Back to our 5 key stars. Let's start with Jupiter, the expansion giant. Think bull markets, optimism, and growth. When big Jupiter is cruising through friendly sectors, things tend to look rosy for investors. Thus, when in a favorable position, Jupiter could indicate a time of financial prosperity and growth in the market. Then we have Mercury, the planet of communication and technology. When in retrograde, Mercury is thought to bring about technological glitches and miscommunications. Some wonder if traders might choose to sell their tech stocks during this period, potentially causing a market dip. Third up is Saturn, the taskmaster. This stern Saturn fellow represents caution, discipline, and correction. Could his transits bring bear markets and periods of consolidation? But hey, sometimes you got to prune the portfolio to make it bloom. Moving on to Uranus, the disruptor, get ready for innovation, sudden shifts, and volatility. Uranus is the wild card, the tech boom catalyst, the everything you thought you knew just went kablooey planet. And finally, Pluto, the transformer. Buckle up for power struggles, deep transformations, and major change. Pluto digs deep, unearthing hidden realities, and sometimes triggering market crashes. Remember, it's not just about one planet, it's the interplay, the cosmic dance between these celestial bodies that paints the bigger picture. A Jupiter boost paired with a Saturn slowdown might signal a period of moderate growth, while Uranus and Pluto tangoing could spark a tech revolution or a major meltdown depending on your risk tolerance. Now let us move from sky to strategy and offer a few potential tools for the astro investor. So how do we translate these cosmic whispers into actual investment decisions? Here are some points to consider. First, are astrological calendars. They track planetary movements and highlight key dates for potential market shifts. Think of them as your celestial cheat sheet. Then we can use technical analysis with an astrological twist. Here we have overlays of planetary transits on charts that can potentially reveal interesting correlations between cosmic events and market trends. Finally, intuition and awareness. This might sound woo-woo, but developing a sensitivity to the energy of the markets can be helpful. Think of it as picking up on the collective mood, the invisible currents before the storm. Let's see some real-world examples of how financial astrology can offer valuable insights. For example, when the dot-com bubble burst around March 2000, Uranus, the innovation disruptor, was entering Taurus, which is accepted as the sign of finance, just before the tech bubble popped. Could it have warned of the inflated valuations and impending crash? Many of you may also remember the 2008 financial crisis. At the time, Saturn, the taskmaster, was making a harsh transit through Virgo, the sign of work and finances, during the crisis. Did it foreshadow the economic hardship to come? Astrologers have been examining planetary alignments, lunar cycles, and other celestial occurrences to speculate on potential market trends. Yet, astrology is not an exact science, and the insights shared in this video are for entertainment purposes only. They should not be considered financial advice. And finally, leave a comment below. What are your thoughts on financial astrology? Also, please remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep looking up.